The journey from farm to table begins at the harvest line, where state-of-the-art technology processes the raw beef.
It begins here, on the sprawling plains, where the journey of a world-class burger starts.
Every animal is tracked, ensuring total traceability and quality for the beef supply chain. Specialized diets ensure the exact fat-to-lean ratio required for the perfect patty. Logistics are timed to the minute to maintain the flow of the beef processing plant.
Stress-free handling is critical to maintaining the texture and quality of the beef.
Only the healthiest livestock proceed into the main beef processing stream. We transition from the farm to a world of clinical precision and industrial scale.
Hygiene is the foundation of the beef processing industry.
Automated rails move the beef through the facility with minimal human contact.
Maintaining a strict cold chain is vital for the safety of the beef.
Master craftsmanship meets industrial speed in the breakdown of the beef.
Engines. Every cut is calculated to maximize the yield of high-quality beef for the patties.
Consistency and fat content is what defines the flavor of the final beef burger.
Now, the raw beef begins its transformation into the world-famous patty.
Massive power is required to process thousands of pounds of beef every hour.
Inside the facility, the transport of the beef is a choreographed dance of heavy machinery. Temperature control remains absolute as the beef moves between processing zones.
High-tech automation ensures that the beef reaches the next stage without human intervention.
Precision at every step ensures that the ratio of beef in every batch is identical. Vacuum transport systems move the beef at high speeds while preventing oxidation.
Here, different cuts of beef are unified into a single, consistent texture.
Natural seasonings are the only additions to this 100% pure beef process.
Constant sampling ensures that every batch of beef meets the strict global standard.
The beef is now perfectly blended and ready for the main transformation stage.
This bridge links the preparation phase to the high-speed manufacturing heart of the plant.
Final sterilization steps ensure the beef is pristine before it takes its final shape. The buffer hopper maintains a constant pressure, essential for the beef's final density.
Every pound of pressure is calibrated to ensure the beef patty holds its shape on the grill.
Uniform distribution is key to producing 68 million beef burgers with zero variation.
With the beef prepared and the machines calibrated, the factory is ready for mass production. This is the heart of the operation, a massive engine of efficiency dedicated to the perfect beef patty.
Security is as tight as the quality control, protecting the integrity of the beef supply. Every shift begins with a digital handshake, ensuring only authorized personnel handle the beef.
Before a single worker touches the beef processing line, they must be clinically clean.
In a factory that produces millions of beef burgers, hygiene is the first line of defense. The uniform of the beef technician is a barrier against contamination.
Entering the processing zone requires a total purge of the outside world.
Welcome to the floor, where raw beef is transformed into a global icon at lightning speed. Every instrument that touches the beef is purged of bacteria through extreme heat.
Data drives the beef factory, ensuring every second of production is optimized.
The flow of beef never stops. It is a 24-hour cycle of supply and demand.
Even the containers that carry the beef are subjected to the same rigorous cleaning.
Maintenance is the heartbeat of the beef factory, keeping the lines moving without friction.
Safety and speed go hand in hand in this high-pressure beef processing environment.
Below 4 degrees Celsius, team.
Yes, sir.
With the team ready and the facility primed, the first beef of the day enters the sorting line. The journey through the factory begins as the raw beef is funneled into the sorting stage.
Pure air is the first tool used to ensure the beef is pristine before it reaches the grinders.
Mechanical separation ensures that only the correctly sized beef pieces move to the next stage. Lasers scan the beef at the speed of light, identifying imperfections invisible to the human eye.
Precision is non-negotiable. The beef must reach an exact ratio for the signature burger taste.
Despite the high-tech sensors, the human eye remains a vital failsafe for beef quality.
Safety is built into every inch of the line, protecting the beef from any physical contaminants.
Maintaining the cold chain is critical. The beef must never rise above freezing temperatures. An organic wash provides a final layer of microbial protection for the raw beef.
Every step is designed to ensure the beef is 100% pure and free of any hard textures.
Only the most visually perfect beef is selected for the premium burger production. This reservoir acts as the lungs of the factory, keeping the beef flow steady and constant.
Constant data points ensure the beef's moisture levels are perfect for the cooking process.
With the beef sorted, cleaned, and verified, it is ready for the transformation to begin.
The raw ingredients are now moving into the heart of the manufacturing process. In the core processing stage, the raw beef begins its structural transformation. A primary coarse grind breaks down the muscle fibers while preserving the beef's natural juices. Advanced mechanical separation ensures the beef is 100% free of bone and hard tissue. The second grind achieves the specific texture required for the signature melt-in-your-mouth burger. Mixing under a vacuum removes air pockets, preventing oxidation and keeping the beef fresh.
This process ensures that every square inch of the beef has the exact same fat to lean distribution.
Precise temperature control during mixing is the secret to a safe and stable beef patty.
Hundreds of pounds of beef are processed every minute with surgical consistency. Hydraulic power drives the beef through the system at high velocity. Even at high speeds, the physical properties of the beef are monitored in real time. Equal distribution is the key to maintaining the weight of every single burger. Speed meets precision as the beef finally takes its iconic burger shape.
Human oversight ensures that the machinery maintains its mathematical accuracy.
The paper prevents the beef from sticking, preserving the patty's shape for the consumer. The transformation is complete. Now, the beef must be preserved for its journey. To lock in the freshness of the beef, we utilize the power of cryogenic flash freezing. In minutes, the temperature of the beef is dropped to -18 degrees Celsius.
Flash freezing preserves the molecular structure of the beef, ensuring a juicy result when cooked.
Even the sound of the frozen beef tells a story of its internal density and quality. Order and alignment are essential for the high-speed packaging systems ahead. Each stack represents a precise portion, ready for the world's busiest kitchens.
There is no room for error. Every stack of beef must weigh exactly the same.
The first layer of packaging protects the beef from the elements and freezer burn. An airtight seal is the only way to guarantee the beef's long-term storage life.
Every single sleeve of beef can be traced back to the specific ranch it came from.
Robotics take over the heavy lifting, maintaining the speed of the beef production line.
Securely sealed, the beef is now protected for global transit. One last check ensures the absolute safety of the finished beef product. Clear labeling ensures that the logistics chain knows exactly where this beef is headed.
The beef has been transformed and packaged. Now, the high-tech automation of Phase 7 begins. In this phase, the Caucasian female human element recedes as high-speed robotics take total control of the beef distribution. Every movement is calculated to optimize space and ensure the beef remains secure during travel.
A complex network of conveyors acts as the factorial's nervous system, directing the beef toward the exit.
Total containment is necessary to protect the frozen beef from temperature fluctuations.
This digital fingerprint allows the factory to track this specific batch of beef anywhere in the world.
The beef enters the automated high bay, a vertical fortress of cold storage. Space is used with 100% efficiency in this computer-managed beef storage system. Human intelligence oversees the digital logic that keeps the beef moving 24/7. Collision avoidance sensors allow these machines to work with a precision no human could match. Maintaining the cold chain requires a massive and constant surge of industrial power. Real-time inventory ensures that the beef is always fresh and never sits too long. Even the sampling process is automated to prevent any delay in the beef line. Speed is essential to ensure the beef is verified before the pallet even reaches the truck. Airflow is managed to ensure there are no warm spots in the beef storage facility. The automation phase ends as the beef prepares for its final human inspection and lab test. Precision is the final bridge between the factory floor and the consumer's plate. Visual perfection is as important as the quality of the beef itself. Accuracy is absolute. Even a gram of difference in the beef content is flagged.
Finishing the packaging ensures the beef stays protected from freezer burn during its long journey.
Grouping the beef sleeves optimizes the efficiency of the final boxing stage.
Every piece of packaging is assembled on-site to maintain a seamless beef production flow.
Careful handling prevents any damage to the frozen beef patties inside the case. Hot melt glue provides a permanent seal, ensuring the beef remains secure. Total traceability is finalized as the beef receives its destination identity. We protect the product all the way to the edges, ensuring the beef arrives in perfect condition. A dry exterior prevents mold and ensures the structural integrity of the beef packaging. All production streams now become one, moving toward the final gates of the facility.
A human touch provides the final assurance for our high-tech beef.
Even the pauses in the line are calculated to maintain a perfect industrial rhythm.
While the rest of the beef moves to packaging, these samples go to the final test.
Every batch must pass through our rigorous scientific gate before it leaves the facility.
Temperature is the first law of safety. The beef must remain deep frozen to ensure perfection. We test for the invisible, ensuring the beef is as pure as the standards demand. Science confirms what the machines measured, the exact beef ratio for the signature flavor.
Texture is engineered. We ensure the beef patty has the perfect resistance and juiciness.
Even the color of the beef is measured to ensure a consistent look in every restaurant.
The ultimate test happens here, where the beef meets the heat.
We cook the beef to ensure the aroma and flavor profile meet the global gold standard.
Human senses provide the final confirmation that the beef is ready for the world.
Total transparency means we know exactly which farm every ounce of beef came from. Chemical balance is key to maintaining the nutritional profile of our beef. Our beef packaging is built to survive the rigors of global logistics. We keep a record of every batch, a library of beef quality that spans years.
With the lab's approval, the beef is officially cleared for global distribution. Quality confirmed. Safety verified. The beef is now ready for the final journey.
The final stage begins as millions of beef burgers prepare to leave the facility. Maintaining the cold chain is paramount until the very moment of delivery. Every connection is seamless, ensuring the beef never touches an uncooled environment.
Efficiency in loading ensures that the temperature remains stable throughout the transit.
We track the temperature of the beef every second of its journey across the globe.
Stability during transport is the final safeguard for the product's integrity.
Digital documentation completes the chain of custody for every burger produced.
Once sealed, the beef is locked away until it reaches its final destination.
Another shipment of world-class beef begins its journey to millions of customers.
This is a 24-hour cycle of precision, dedicated to a single, perfect result.
From raw harvest to the final package, the process is absolute.
Storage at scale ensures that the world's demand for beef is always met.
Global logistics move our beef from this facility to the farthest corners of the earth.
And this is how modern factories produce beef burgers
from start to finish.
Quality, scale, consistency. This is the future of food.